Hi, I'm Henry from Protalus, and today we're going to talk about when to replace your insoles. One of the easiest ways to be able to tell is when this blue foam on the heel is pushed into the heel cut. Right here you can see that that cushion is completely compromised and won't give you the benefits that a new insole would. So here we see a brand new M100 compared to a thoroughly worn out M100. And one of the differences that you can see immediately is the blue foam is completely compressed on this used model. Right here you can see that the integrity of the foam is completely compromised on the used one, and that the brand new one has much more cushion still in it. Another difference is when looking at the side, is looking at the sidewalls. So on the used model, you can see that the sidewall is starting to collapse over the rigid shank, and this means that you're not getting the support that you should be. On this newer model, the shape is still maintained, giving you the proper support that a new model should.